Okay, so we have this Unity Mars sample, which basically has augmented reality and plane detection, multiple type of plane detection. Planes are defined here as you see these different shapes and colors. Those are the planes, and objects that will be in this application. So we have this small demo application here. I'm gonna open it, which is this one. It's a second because this tablet is huge and heavy. So it will load. Now it will try to scan the surroundings, and it has a few types of scans, not only planes, also some points there. As you can see, it tries to detect, and we also have some functionality in this app, in the sense that if this robot, look, that's my foot, in this robot, if you touch the screen, it will interact with that robot, and that's also very interesting and powerful. Let me see if I can show. So look, I'm not interacting very well because, well, the tablet is huge and it's heavy, and I also filming in the same time. But anyway, the proof of concept is that we have plane detection, we have functionality that we can add to that plane detection, we have Unity to add to that functionality, and also is capable of a lot more than this, like face detection and image recognition, like other platforms like Vuforia. So a very important aspect in all this augmented reality is that the virtual element, so this stone, it's very stable in the virtual world. So I can move around it and it stays there, and this is very powerful and very important. Okay. So my app crashed. Anyway, for a short demo, I think it's enough.